Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing a capable PC and gathering the exact Jetpack build you want. Install Android SDK tools and unzip the Jetpack SDK package into a simple path. Once done, verify checksums to ensure files are intact and make sure you have ADB and Fastboot available in your path. If you don't have Chrome OS hardware, set up Chrome OS Flex or a Chromium OS image, now so you can emulate the environment for signing and deployment steps. Next, create an environment that mimics a Chromebook. Boot Chrome OS Flex in a VM or via USB, and enable developer mode if available. On your Linux VM, install OpenJDK, a DB, Fastboot, and any Jetpack-specific dependencies. Then connect the VM to the Chrome OS instance using ADB over TCP or via USB pass-through. Use the Jetpack SDK tooling to prepare APKs and native modules. Make sure to build in release mode and produce signed artifacts ready for sideloading into the emulated Chrome OS instance. Finally, deploy the signed Jetpack packages into the emulated Chrome OS image using ADB install and package manager commands. Once installed, launch and verify features. Check Chrome//flags or developer settings for any toggles Jetpack requires. If something fails, capture logs with ADB logcat and check for signature or ABI mismatches. Make sure your build targets the same CPU architecture as the image. If problems persist, re-sign with the correct keys and rebuild native libs before repeating deployment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.